A nonprofit with Boston ties is helping low-income families across the country eliminate their medical bills. They're using a little-known loophole created in the Affordable Care Act.
So far, they've relieved over $200 million in debt. NBC 10 consumer investigative reporter Leslie Gatus shows you how it works and how you can qualify to get your medical debt discounted or even wiped out.
Lujan came to Boston in 2020 to get his master's degree, but that dream was shattered when he was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma. At the time, he didn't have insurance and had to leave his job for treatment. Hospital bills started piling up.
When I was getting my treatments for chemotherapy, they would tell me right away, you also need to talk to the billing department and stuff like that.
They told Carlos he owed the hospital $3,000.
How am I going to pay the rent, and how am I going to pay for my food?
Someone in the billing department recommended he reach out to $4.
We help patients access these resources. We advocate on their behalf, fill out paperwork, submit it to the hospital, and get those medical bills to go away.
Jared Walker started $4 back in 2015. As Jared explains it, under federal law, nonprofit hospitals have to offer free or reduced care to patients that are under a certain income range. It's called charity care.
If you make under a certain amount of money, the hospitals will waive your medical bills.
For example, at Boston Medical Center, if your annual income is below $40,000, they will discount your bill 90%. But if you're a family of 4, your annual income moves up to $83,000.
If you want to test it out, I run a nonprofit that does this.
That's Walker explaining charity care on TikTok. Last year, that video had over 10 million views. After his TikTok went viral, he needed support to keep up with the demand to help patients.
We're looking for organizations that are making a difference in health inequity.
$4 caught the eye of the Draper Richards Kaplan Foundation, a global venture philanthropy firm with ties to Boston. DRK was able to help $4 scale up to help more patients. To date, they've eliminated over $200 million in medical debt.
It's the greatest privilege of a life to know that you've made a difference in somebody's life.
Out of nowhere, my balance went from $3,000 to $200.
Lujan said that debt relief helped him focus on his treatment. He's now cancer-free and living in Austin, Texas. He's grateful for the help he received from $4, but upset at the broken medical system that caused him so much unneeded stress.
Debt feels more like a punishment. Like, yes, we help you, but we're going to punish you for helping you with you having to pay all of this when we didn't choose to be sick.
Hospitals are supposed to tell people about these programs. They don't. They get all the benefits of being a nonprofit. They get all these tax breaks. They get, insane benefits from being a nonprofit, yet they're not providing community benefit to justify that.
If you're dealing with medical debt and want to see if you qualify for charity care, we have a link for you. You can scan this QR code with your smartphone camera, and it will take you directly to the link. Leslie Gatus, NBC 10 Boston.